So I was actually at a conference out in Dallas, Fort Worth area, and we were teaching a class on just how can you do best practices in your shop to have better parts tracking and better profit management. And it wasn't even involving the solution. So, there's a slew of best practices out here for this. And one of the big ones is get the return slip. A lot of shops will neglect the return slip, or they'll settle on these like flimsy diner receipt handwritten return slips that nobody can read and aren't really useful. And what that ends up doing is it just creates a ton of ambiguity. You run into a situation where if I send back, and this is a real example, customers sent back a $3,000 strut and they never got credited back on it. And they have caught it because they started using our solution. But if they had just had the return slip, spent the 2 seconds to sign it, they would have had that stack of return slips without a stack of credits and would have known immediately a week, 2 weeks later, this is something we should have got credited back on. Where's our money?
Do you have any special discipline inside of Wicked File or the processes that you set up to track credits?